Hey, so it's Cam live via satellite, and I'm shopping with my wife. This is always interesting, especially for us. Gotta watch some of the things you do. Uh-oh.
Are you serious?
Uh-oh. The snowstorm then came and hit Middletown. The blizzard of 2015 and drug all the way here. And look, people, and let's get ready. Look at the facial expression of the people. They're upset. You know why? Let's look close. Let's go live. Come on. Not a Mountain Dew in sight. Look at that face expression. Ooh, look at that. Well, they done cleared out them daggone Mountain Dew.
Yeah, but there's plenty of Pepsi.
Look at that, boy. It's just empty. Look at that. It's just empty. Well, there's some red Coke. You want some red Coke?
No, I never drank Red Coke because when I was pregnant with Amaya, I threw up off of it and I have never drank it since.
Now you know why she don't drink but regular or diet. You only get the stuff live here at Social Cam. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like when the blizzard of 15 hit the soda section.
How is it funny? That means we have to go somewhere else.
Never ends, baby. But anyway, Social Cam, I gotta go. I thought I'd have me a good laugh for the day.
It's like a drug. I need my fix.